In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a calendar to Google Calendar in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the process from inside your Smartsheet so that your tasks and dates can appear directly in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you rely on Google Calendar for your day-to-day scheduling, but use Smartsheet to manage projects, deadlines, or team activities. First, make sure you have your sheet open in Smartsheet. At the top of the sheet, you'll see different view options like Grid, Gantt, and others, depending on your setup. Look toward the upper left or top center area for the option labeled View. Go ahead and click that. This menu lets you switch between different ways of looking at the same information in your sheet. From the drop-down that appears, choose Calendar. After you click Calendar, your sheet will switch from the grid or list layout into a calendar layout. Here, your tasks and dates are displayed on a monthly or weekly calendar, so you can easily see how your work is spread out over time. If you don't see items, make sure your sheet has date columns configured correctly, since only rows with date values will appear on the calendar. Now that you're in Calendar View, look at the top of the screen again. You should see an option or button that says something like Publish to Google Calendar. This might appear as a menu item or a link near other sharing or publishing options. Click on Publish to Google Calendar. What this does is prepare a connection between this Smartsheet calendar and your Google Calendar account, so events can sync over. Once you click it, you'll see an option to toggle the publishing on or off. Right now it should be off by default. Switch the toggle to the on position. Turning this on tells Smartsheet that you want this calendar to be available to Google Calendar. When you do this, Smartsheet may show you additional settings like which events to include, or whether you're creating a new calendar in Google or linking to an existing one. After you've turned the toggle on, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, this means confirming which Google account you want to use, granting Smartsheet permission to access your Google Calendar, and selecting the specific calendar where your Smartsheet events should appear. Just move through each screen carefully, reading the description so you know exactly what's being shared. When you're done, your Smartsheet dates will start appearing in Google Calendar, keeping your schedules aligned without manual copying or extra work.